And this is a beautiful avocado tree. It's about 9 feet long. And today is May 3rd. But what I wanted to show you, we're here in California, this beautiful new little branches. What I wanted to show you is that all of these leaves appeared here on the ground, just around the tree. And to my observation, this is something that the tree will do. Look how easy that was. Wow. When the leaves, oh wow, look at that. When the leaves are old, it will shed them by itself. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? Look at that. Oh, this one was already off. It's just hanging from here. Oh, it has a little hook. Doesn't want to let go. The old doesn't want to let go, but you gotta let it go, let it go, let it go. Okay, I don't know. I just thought that was really cool. And look, all the ones that are here. Wow, amazing, amazing. So there are a lot of old leaves inside right here that are gonna be falling by themselves. Wow. Okay. All right. So I think trees teach us that we must remain fresh, right? Otherwise, we'll die. So if there's newness, as a newness of life, so we will see it in the leaves, right? By the fruits. By the fruits we will be known. And this also gives us the lesson or teaching or moral that we must be open. We must be open to always grow. Never think that you are set, that you already got it. No, there's always room to grow, room to expand, for the heart to be enlarged. So that is my inspiration today. Okay, be open to the newness. I just love everything that God created, because in it we see so many lessons. All right.